pencil and do your designs. It will be a little bit of messy because you know it's a circle. So when you paint with it,
It's gonna be
it will be easier, and the pencil will not be ugly.
So, as you see, my design is a carrot and some bunch of circles around it. So I'm gonna be coloring the carrot, like normal carrot, and then like my whole like background of it like is gonna be yellow, and the holes are gonna be like pink, and the outline is gonna be black.
So let's get started. Actually, I'll start with this. I'll let it to be yellow. Then the others, the dots. I'm gonna start with the So guys, I just wanted to tell you that I had a new haircut. When I was a little boy, I never had this cut. And I made it my own, when there's a quarantine. So my mom, she gave it to me and she made it very well. No, actually, I cut it here. Looks so funny, I don't know why. It's singles.
So this is our final look. My brother still did not finish it. So don't forget to give us a subscribe.
And smash the like button, and if you want to see our final look, so hit all notification and leave a like,
And don't forget love,